Arch your back, sink in, stretch out more. You got nice legs, kind of come on your toes. It kind of gives you more of a lift. Tanisha, you've worked with everybody, like the Pussycat Dolls, Beyonce, and they know how to shake their butts. But who shakes their booty the best, would you say, out of all the people you work with?
To be honest, I think hands down is Beyonce.
Okay, so Tanisha, I learned the Pussycat Dolls routine. I just learned the Sean Paul routine, and I heard that now I'm gonna learn like the hardest thing ever.
It's the most challenging for some people, but it's not the hardest thing ever. You can do it.
You can look at it as long as you don't rest.
You're gonna move your butt around as fast as you can, and walk forward 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3.
Well, me do I turn it?
Any which way you want.
I can't do it. I turned it out. I just did it. Oh, I did.
Oh, you did it. It's good. So you put on your makeup.
You watching me shake it, I see it in your face.
Check on it. Check it out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Check on me tonight.
Check